Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining me once again. Today, I'm going to be making a one-pan meal, chicken and potatoes. I'm going to start by putting in some olive oil in this little chopper. I'm also going to be putting garlic, black pepper, adobo, and sazon. Because I'm making so much chicken, I'm going to be putting about 11 to 12 cloves of garlic in this mixture because I'm going to be able to season all the chicken and the potatoes with the same mixture. And excuse if you hear me sniffling a little bit. I'm a little under the weather, so I apologize in advance. I already have the olive oil and the garlic in the chopper. Now I'm adding the sazon. The black pepper, I'm putting a little bit less than a teaspoon. It might seem like a lot, but like I said, this mixture is going to season both the chicken and the potatoes. Some adobo. I'm using about 2 teaspoons of adobo. Now I'm gonna blend it all up. It needed a little bit more olive oil to make it a little smoother. I invite you to make this for your family. You will not regret it. It tastes so good. Now I already have my chicken nice and clean. I will be putting most of the mixture inside the chicken, and I will begin to mix it all up and make sure that each piece of chicken is very well seasoned. It's all seasoned. Now I'm going to put it to the side and take the potatoes that have already been cut into wedges. Put in the rest of the mixture and make sure that all the potatoes are seasoned properly. This is such an easy recipe, and I will tell you that it tastes so good. And if you're the type that like to prep for the week, this would be a great meal to have ready. You can cook a lot of it and have it for different days of the week. Now I will start arranging it in the pan. Once all the chicken is placed in the pan, I will put all the potatoes also in the pan. And this will cook on 400 on my stove. And I cook it covered for about an hour and a half. And then after that, I take off the aluminum foil and leave it as long as the desired color on the chicken. And then you're all good. Then you're done. Then all you have to do is sit back and enjoy. So as you can see, I have a pretty big family. Now you add the potatoes. And when I tell you, while this is cooking, your house will smell amazing. One more look before it goes into the oven. And in the oven it goes. This is the finished product. It's all cooked and ready to go, ready to feed my family. Beautiful, just beautiful. Look how yummy this looks. Okay, everybody, I'm back. That handsome fellow you see back there, that's my husband. Say hi, Al.
Hey, everybody.
And this is my little brother who's gonna be doing the taste testing for today's dinner.
How you doing?
I've been tasting for 30 years. It's all good.
Yes, it is. They know that. They know that. I've always liked papas like that. When you bite with that little crisp and then it's still got that softness in there.
And it's cooked together with the chicken, so it has all the same
With the chicken flavor,
yeah, the taste.
Oh, I gotta try it first.
How is it, Lou?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's money.
Hell yeah. Oh, Sorry,
Okay.
yes.
It's
That's
okay.
Got that,
Sorry.
got that big chicken. Potatoes all together in the oven.
You recommend?
Big time.
Out of 10.
I got mine.
Oh, you got the. Oh, okay. No,
You can get some.
no. That's a good one. I like that. Well, delish like always. Just remember, folks, like, comment, subscribe. My sister doing her thing.
Thank you. Okay, guys, bye.
Later.